Well, here we are in Dad's new car, soon to be my car. How you doing, Dad? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it a good car?
Yeah, well at the moment it should be alright.
Does it drive well?
Yeah.
Is it good on petrol?
Yeah.
Because you know how it is now to get petrol.
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
Weather seems nice today. Let's overtake that bastard. So where are you going?
Back home.
Well, I'm gonna go for a bit of swimming with my mates.
Hey.
Hey. We'll be there soon.
I love swimming.
No, I'm looking forward to it. Weather's nice, so happy days.
I did camera.
What?
I'm a bit scared. I'm a bit nervous. Not sure what to say. I don't know if this blows his mind. But I found out there's a camera. There's 3 cameras in this bloody thing, and I don't know if he's watching me.
Is there one on my side?
Yeah, they're everywhere.
We're trying to get a channel.
Mayday, mayday.
Oh,
hey!
There.
DAB digital radio and 1089.
No good. Jesus Christ, what a load of crap did you buy, Dad?
How many costs more than the car?
I'm just joking, Dad.
No, the radio costs more than the car.
Oh.
The radio can.
What?
Oh, he's probably powered it. Oh, sorry.
So you like the car?
Yeah. Because of my age. No teeth, no hair.
No teeth. No hair. Nothing.
Getting smaller.
Getting smaller. Are we there yet?
Not really. We've got a tent in the back, haven't we?
Yeah.
Won't be long.
Below.
I'm doing 35 miles an hour. Is that too fast?
35?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go 60, let's get there.
Yeah, we'll be alright. Once I get down this hill, I'll be alright.
Oh yeah.
Burning open fires, delicious fish and cakes.
Right.
Hey, no, we've got a channel now.
Rich with cool watches, elegant necklaces, must have
Gave me a
charm
shock.
bracelets and
Nice cup of tea. Oh, hello there. My dad just went to do some shopping. I just came back from work. So, it was quite nice today because the first thing I saw when I came in was an Easter egg. And I thought, it's going to be a nice Monday today. I had a good weekend. We got a new car, saw my friends. It's been a good weekend. It's been really good. And while I'm here, I just want to congratulate IQ for getting first on the last video. I'll put a link here somewhere, I don't know, in my face, where you can go and subscribe to his channel just to show him a bit of love. If you get first on my videos, I will put a link of you, but I'm guessing he'll get first on every video because he's too quick. So you're gonna have to beat him somehow, otherwise I'll beat him because I'm the one uploading the video. So I'll just hang on, the phone's calling. Hello? Sorry? Who's speaking? It's you. Oh, it's you, Dad. Oh, bloody hell, I couldn't hear you. Yeah? You what? Oh, you got an appointment at the dentist. What, now? 5:30. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do to you? That's alright. I'll see you later, Dad. Alright. Bye then. Yeah. What? Yeah, okay. Alright. Love you too. Bye. Bye. Right. Where were we? Oh yeah. I've got this link here. It's probably gone now. But if you want to show some love to IQ, please subscribe to his channel because he's quite quick. He deserves a bit more subscribers because he's the first on the video. You know, that's an achievement. No matter what video you get first on, it's an achievement. So that's just all for me today. Hopefully I'll see you next Monday. If you do like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Not just my channel, my dad's channel as well. Oh my god, the neighbour's looking at me. Alright. Okay. Yeah, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next Monday, alright? Hopefully I'll have something a bit more interesting next Monday. Peace out for now and take care. Bye.